Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. It's been a clear start to the day for almost all of South Africa, although along the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal it was cloudy this morning, including around Margate and Port Edward. At the same time, a cold front is slowly approaching the western coastline, and this is pushing in cloud cover over the region, and as that cloud is backing up against the mountains, it's been producing some light rain or drizzle, including around Cape Town. Now we're going to continue seeing some light rain over that area for the rest of today, mainly cloudy. Otherwise, it's going to be a sunny, hot and dry day for the central and western interior, but towards the east it will be partly cloudy and we're expecting a couple of thunder showers to develop for some regions. Now for tomorrow, similar conditions expected over Gauteng and Mpumalanga as well as for the KZN interior. A few thunder showers, a little bit of morning rain along the south coast. Things will clear out later on, and in the evening we're expecting an onshore flow to develop along the east coast. That's going to bring in lots of cloud and we will see some light rain developing in places over KZN late on Tuesday. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for today for a high fire danger affecting parts of the Northern Cape and the central Karoo district of the Western Cape. Rainfall probabilities now, and there we see rain continuing today around the southwestern corner of the country, including for the peninsula, moving quite far inland, also affecting the Cape Winelands region. Otherwise dry for the western half of the country. A couple of isolated thunder showers on the other hand likely to develop for Limpopo, into Mpumalanga and down into the KwaZulu-Natal interior, perhaps even towards Elliot and Umtata in the Eastern Cape. Moving ahead now to the winds, and it remains quite calm up in the northern parts of South Africa for today. Moderate winds for much of the coastline, fresh for Port Elizabeth, and there we can see that northwesterly wind affecting Cape Town ahead of that weak front. Now, along with the mainly clear conditions, as one might expect, it's going to be a hot day for almost all of South Africa, particularly for the interior, as well as the Lowveld and some parts of the eastern coastline. Warm along the south coast, 27 degrees for George, Port Elizabeth, as well as for Bishu and East London, while cooler down in the southwestern Cape. Tomorrow morning will be warm for almost all of the country. Temperatures in the mid to upper teens, once again low 20s along the east coast and in the Lowveld. Upington and De Aard also dropping down to 20 degrees and 19 as an overnight low expected along the south coast. Cape Town today gets to 23, mainly cloudy with that chance for light rain continuing. But by tonight we are expecting the rain to start clearing out of the mother city. An overnight low of 18 degrees has been forecast, and winds will also become very light overnight. Let's take a look ahead to tomorrow afternoon when Pretoria gets to 31. We are expecting isolated thunder showers, 30 degrees as a maximum for Sutherland and Springbok. And on Wednesday, Cape Town's temperature will rise all the way up to 32, and we're expecting thunder showers to return to the Free State. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Monday.